Looking for the best noise-canceling headphones in 2025 that won't break the bank? The Anker Soundcore Space 2 headphones are making waves as an incredible value alternative to premium brands like Bose and Sony. Stick around to discover why these could be your next go-to headphones. And remember, you can find links in the description to snag these impressive headphones early. Anker has dramatically upgraded the design, making the Space 2 incredibly comfortable with plush memory foam earpads, a sleeker look, and a secure fit for extended listening sessions. You'll be genuinely surprised by the very good sound quality for the price, especially after using the personalized HearID EQ settings, which can transform your audio experience. While not quite on par with top-tier models, the improved adaptive noise canceling effectively mutes lower-frequency sounds, making your commutes and busy environments much more peaceful. Boasting an astonishing 50 hours of battery life with ANC on, plus convenient features like multi-point Bluetooth and ear detection sensors, these headphones keep the music playing effortlessly. However, in an unexpected turn, while they excel at background noise reduction for calls, callers reported my voice sounding muffled, a crucial detail to consider. Despite minor drawbacks like the disappointing 3D sound mode, the Anker Soundcore Space 2 headphones earn an A rating in value, offering premium features at a fraction of the cost of flagship models. They're positioned perfectly for anyone seeking an affordable, high-performance option without compromising too much on essential features for their wireless headphones 2025 setup. Don't miss out on one of the most exciting, budget-friendly noise-canceling options to hit the market this year.